guys, so in today's video I am going to be attempting some super easy DIY clothing upgrades. I have a ton of old clothes and I always want new clothes, so I figured this was the perfect thing to do, especially during this time. And when I say easy, I mean easy, like literally all I used was scissors. I didn't sew, I didn't even use fabric glue, so I literally did the least. So if you're like me and you don't know how to do anything, what could go wrong? Just try it, you know? Maybe you'll end up with a new cute top, maybe you'll end up with a bunch of useless scraps. Anyway, I got ideas for these in different places. I'll leave my inspiration linked in the description.
I hope you enjoy. Thanks for clicking on this video.
And this video is gonna be just kind of me going through it. I'm not gonna be talking. I'll put the instructions on the screen though. It's pretty easy though, it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, okay. Okay, well that's it. I hope you learned something and I hope you can try it for yourself and let me know how it went. Yeah, that's all. This is awkward. Okay. Subscribe, like this video, turn on post notifications if you want. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!